Here is a lesson on averages. There's three main types of averages: mean, mode and median, and then range, which isn't actually an average itself, but it's often connected with these. So let's have a look at what each one means. The mean. This is where you have to add up all the numbers and divide by how many numbers there are. It's probably the hardest one to work out, so I'm going to call it the nasty one. Mean and nasty. It's where you have to add all the numbers up and then divide by how many there are. Next, mode. Easiest one to work out. You basically look for the most common number. So the one that occurs the most. So I'm going to call this the most. Sounds like mode. Mode, most. Mode, most. Next one, median. This is where you must arrange all the numbers in order and then find the middle number. So I'm going to call this one middle. Sounds a bit like middle. Median. Median, middle. And then the last one, range, which isn't an average, but this is where you have to find the largest number and take away the smallest. So the largest take away the smallest. So that's what each one means. Let's now have a look at a question that you might find in a common entrance paper. So this is a question about 30 people who took a test and their mark was out of 5. So you can see from the bar chart that one person here, if I colour this bar in, one person got no marks and 3 people got 1 mark and 5 people scored 2 marks and 8 people scored 3 marks and 7 people scored 4 marks and finally 6 people scored 5 marks, and that's 30 people altogether. So you might be asked to find the mean, the mode, the median or the range from this set of data from this bar chart. So let's do the median first. Sorry, not the median, the mean. Let's do the mean and nasty one. So remember, this is where you have to add up all the numbers and then divide by how many people took part in the survey. So what are all the numbers? Well, as I said, one person scored 0 marks. 3 people got 1, so 3 ones. 5 people got 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 people scored 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 7 people got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 6 people got 5. Now we would have to now add up all those numbers. The numbers all add up to 95. So if I write 95 down here, and we've got to divide that by how many numbers there are, i.e. how many people there were. So it's 95 divided by 30. Now, if you've got a sum like that, it would probably be on a calculator paper. So you do 95 divided by 3, and you'd get approximately 3.2. So your mean is 3.2. Next, we're going to look at the mode. This is the easiest one to do. This is the one that appears the most, remember. So which mark was the most common? Well, you can see from the largest bar in your bar chart that 8 people scored 3 marks. So your mode is 3. Easy. Next is median. So remember, median is the middle number, but we must order the numbers first, from smallest to biggest. That means we need to write down 1 0 because one person got 0. 3 people got 1 mark, so we need to write 3 ones down. 5 people got 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 people got 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 people got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 6 people got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 people got 5. Another one. There we go. So there's all the numbers. Now we're going to find which one falls in the middle. Well, the easiest way to do that is to cross them out from the outside and work inwards. So I'm going to cross the 0 off and that 5. And I'm going to keep doing that until I get to find what's in the middle. So here we go. So now you can see we've got to the middle and we've got 2 numbers left in the middle. Sometimes you'll have 1, sometimes you'll have 2. If you've got 1 number left in the middle, then obviously that's your median. When you've got 2 numbers left in the middle, like in this case, you need to find what's halfway between those 2 numbers. Well, because they're both 3's here, then 3 is still going to be your median. So the median in this case is 3. Finally, we're going to work out the range of marks. So we're going to have to find the largest mark and take away the smallest mark. Well, the largest mark anybody got was 5. And the smallest mark anybody got was 0. So I'm going to do 5 take away 0, which gives you 5. So the range of the marks was 5. And there we are. Mean, mode, median, and range.